Now you may remember me from when I came round your house to clean your carpets, upholstery, Karndean, Amtico, or it may have even been a spillage in your car, or we've just cleaned the upholstery in your car. Well, we also offer exterior cleaning, and basically that covers everything from your driveway and your patio and your decking to soft washing exterior cladding and render. And we're on our way right now to carry out a patio clean for one of our customers, and we send out mail shots to all our subscribed customers, just making everybody aware of what we're doing and other services that may be of interest. So I'll video the clean, document each stage, and hopefully that will explain what we do, how we do it, and it will clearly show the results we can achieve. Well, we just arrived at the customer's house, and the customer has kindly accepted my quotation, and so I have moved all the furniture from the patio areas. There's two patio areas. There's this one here. Okay, we've got a step there up to the back door, and there's a patio at the back. And as you can see, it's very dirty. It's never been professionally cleaned. All right. So we expect amazing results compared to how it looks now. We've also agreed to clean the front step around the front of the house. There's no charge for that. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to move that plant pot I forgot to move. Once that's moved, we're going to just clean or remove the surface debris from the tiles, and then we can get on with the cleaning. It must be catching, because next door has just started cleaning their patio. Oh well. Right, we have power washed this part of the patio. We're now going to apply a product, and hopefully that will deal with the organic growth that you see there, the surface green areas and everything, and give that time to work whilst we're working on the other part, and hopefully that should improve the appearance of this part of the patio. Right, with our product carefully applied by brush on sensitive areas where there's grass and plants, we will never spray, because any overspray could damage grass and plants. Right, now, whilst this product is left to work, we're now going to turn our attention to the main part of the patio. Well, we're coming to the end of this job, folks, and I think you will agree that that looks a load better than what it did before. Remember what I said about most people get to a stage with their domestic pressure washers and that's it. And they can't remove any of the black spots from the surface. A professional will go a step further than that, and they will treat the paving with the special product that breaks down the organic areas, let's say, areas of the tile that are affected by moss, algae, lichens. Okay, and then it works its magic. And there you go. I think that looks stunning compared to how it looked before. And just over here, this is the first area we cleaned. And just to help the customer out, I've jet washed the some of the furniture here because it was, I mean, that was dreadful. That looked like it was ready for the skip, but it's now looking a darn sight better. And you can imagine sitting down and having a glass of wine in the sun and enjoy having a clean patio. But there you have it, folks. Thanks ever so much for watching. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, to keep up to date with all the new jobs that I complete. And if you have any questions, by all means, please, like I said, write them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer all your questions. Thanks ever so much for watching.